Hi, I'm Jackson and I'm 9 years old. Today, I've been invited to a video with Bionic Benny to clean a ball python's cage. Let's do this. Put you there. Boom. I don't want the snake to think it's feeding time, so I'm going to put him in a different enclosure. Alright. Pick you up. Put you in this enclosure. Here. There. Alright, so you square him out. Go in. Alright, let me put these gloves on. As you heard from the intro, I'm going to be cleaning this cage. So let me just put these gloves on, then we'll start. If you have one of these, I think they're called, if you have one of these ball pythons, they're albino ball pythons with yellow heads. If you have one of these, you should probably watch this as a tutorial to clean it. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is probably lift this up. Throw all this away and then get him some new fresh water. And we're going to probably get that poop. So let me just get that water out. Let's get this water out. Ooh, that's heavy. And boom. Oof. Got my gloves on. So I'm going to use this chiseler to chisel off all the snake's poop. So we can make it like fully clean. But if you need to do this, if you have like tongs, just use one of these. So we got that one. Then, all right. So for the larger pieces of the poop, I'm just gonna grab it with a paper towel and throw it away. If you have like small pieces of poop, like if yours is a baby and you have like small pieces of poop, you could just use. I don't know what it's called, but you could just use, I think it's a scraper. You could just use that and pick it up.
Chlorhexidine solution.
Right. Yeah, this is the chlorhexidine solution. We use it to clean the tub. It's animal safe, so we're just going to spray it around the tub. Alright, so now I need the paper towel to dry all this off. 1 second. I'm gonna have to get this big piece and then just wipe everything. Just wipe everything so it's clean. Just a reminder, this is really animal safe. Doesn't hurt them. You could just, if you have one, you could just use this to clean their cage. You might need a second, like smaller cage for them so they can have something to roam around in while you clean it. And now I think all we need to do is just restore the water. Now we just need to put paper towels in so it feels safe and can roam around and hide when it needs to. I'm gonna put this one here and these two. I'm gonna make it into like a little hut like this so then it can hide. Just that. Then it has a little hut that it can hide in. Yeah, that's good. So just clear off these two. You just gotta put ease there, that, to ease it, the snake, then boom, good. That's how you put the paper towels in. Now all we need to do is restore the water. Alright, so now I just need to clean out the water bowl. What you should do with this is you just should grab it like this, then just wipe all around until it's okay, like this. And then you clean the water bowl out, then you throw that away, and then you go get some more water. We use it to spray water in, we just do this. It might take a while, but it's okay, it's normal. You could also clean it a bit more with the sprayer, you just gotta do that. And we have its water. that is the end of the video. Well, no, it's not the end of the video. We have to still put the snake back, but that is almost the end of the video. Now all we need to do is put the snake back, and then it's done. So we're gonna cut to that part. All right, so now I'm gonna pull this one out, and then once we pull it out, let me say hi. Come on. Hello. Let me just pick you up. Put you right there. So you gotta carefully pick them up and make sure not to rub the scales, because if you do, they'll get scared. And we could probably flatten that out for them so they can create it. And then you've cleaned your snakes. You clean your snake's cage. Now all we gotta do is put it back in. It's not really heavy. You just gotta put it in. And I don't think they should have any light, so just keep it like that. It's fine. They could just hide in there so no one sees them. And that is the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and bye.